First, you'll want to remove corrective lenses. Contacts are okay. Bare feet on sand or earth is best practice, but not grass. You can face your palms toward the sun, put hands above your head facing the sun is a fire balloon position, but also hands by the side like I am doing is fine. When first beginning sun gazing, start out with 10 seconds only. The next day you'll do 20 seconds. The next day after that you'll do 30 seconds, and you'll keep on adding 10 seconds to each day of practice. You are progressing toward 44 minutes. After sun gazing, rub the palms together until you feel it warm, then put the palms against the eyes until the after image disappears. After finishing covering the eyes, you will walk 45 minutes barefoot. Wear shoes if it's too cold to stand barefoot. Don't sun gaze if it's not in your heart to do so.